What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis. Today we're going to be doing an awesome video for all you 23 and up Colorado owners. I have some footage of the new bumpers that are in the works for the 23 Colorado and up trucks. So let's head over to the computer and I will show you guys what we have in store for the new front end, for the new bumpers, and what comes with them and what we got going on. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, if you haven't noticed, the new 4th gen Tacoma has been released, so every company is out there trying to get their hands on some Tacomas and do the Tacoma thing and everything, but DV8, they're different. They got the Colorado bumpers done. I've been so excited about this, guys. Super excited for the new DV8 bumpers. Let's check them out on the computer. I don't know 100% about the details. I don't know 100% about the price or the details or anything like that. Just a couple of things here and there. So I'm just super excited that I can show you guys. I want to give Ryan Winter a huge shout out. He's a truck dude and he designed this thing. So I'll throw a little picture of his rig up here. It's super sick. He's got a 2017 Raptor. It's super sick. All kitted out. Badass black, you know, black Raptors. Nothing better than black Raptors. So shout out to him. Everybody over at DV8, they care. They off-road, they do all that. It's not just some random person behind the computer designing it or doing anything like that. They actually like it. So that's a #1 thing why DV8's dope and why you should go with them for your bumpers. But let's swing over to the computer and show you guys what they got in store for us. This is gonna be the bumper without the truck right there. So it's a little sneak peeker right there. It's a little sneak peeker. There's that. Okay. Swing over to this clip, gets a little bit better. Ooh, dang, look at that thing. So this is going to be the bumper on the truck. If you can kind of see, you can retain your factory tow hooks right here. It comes with this nice backing mesh right here, grill mesh. It's going to be powder coated black, but we got a spot for a fair lead right here. I'll show you guys more of that pretty soon here. So yeah, that's the bumper like that. It's in the front end, so this looks really slim. So right here it follows that amount of clearance on the front end. So this truck has 37s on there, so just, you know, minus 2 inches, but the clearance with that is way better than anything stock or any center bumper you're gonna get out right there. So this one, if you can tell, you can run your, I don't know what size light bar you can run here, but you can run a light bar and 2 pods on each side. So for all you trailboss owners, work truck owners, or anything like that, I don't think you have the fog lights, so that can be in place of the fog lights, which is pretty badass for you guys to be able to have fog lights. And yeah, that's the front right there. It looks super cool. I'm digging the look of this bumper so much. Looks badass. So there's that right there, and you can see you got your fair lead up front right there. Okay, so we'll go down to the next one. So this one, let's see. I was super excited. So a lot of these are jerky and stuff. So that's shit. So let's see. There we go. So this is, okay, we already watched that one, I guess. You can tell you can keep your factory tow hooks if you like right there, but these ones have the D-ring clevises as well, so you can have your D-rings also. So if you guys can see here, this is going to be the cut you're going to have to do. It's pretty easy. I have a video on my channel and I banged it out in like 20 minutes, so it's not a big deal. It's not super hard or anything. There's a body line right here for you guys to follow anyways. Let's click play here. Alright, we're going to zoom out, and that is going to be kind of like the side view shot right there. Let's see if I can get a better one here. There we go. So it's kind of the side view. Honestly, it looks like it has, you're going to be able to have a lot more clearance considering that plastic piece that all Z71s have and the lower trims, it's kind of like bigger out towards this area right here. Okay, so I'm gonna scoot it over. As you can see, the Warren winch is right here, so you can run your Warren winch right there. The fairlead doesn't pop out super far like a lot of other companies. Nice and slimline on that cut. It's another side view shot right here. And if you can tell, it comes, I'm not sure if it comes with one or it's going to be a, oh, that's the top view shot right here. So it looks like it's going to be more flush than the gray piece on the OEM bumper on the lower trims. So nice and sleek up front and up top like that. Looks good. Looking good. Okay, swing over to this video right here. Got this one. Okay. And then that is going to be the skid plate. I'm not sure if this is going to be a sold separately item or this is going to come with the bumper. I believe it bolts onto the bumper and to your original mounting positions right here on the plastic piece the lower trims have, or wherever the ZR2 skid plate bolts up to right here. And this skid plate is going to be a lot better than the ZR2 one. I already destroyed my factory ZR2 skid plate. It's already dented and banged up and twisted, so this is going to be a lot better for that. And also, if you're running bigger tires, the ZR2 skid plate like comes out like right here to this area, and I do have some turning problems sometimes when I'm flexed out and it starts rubbing the skid plate right there. That's another kind of side view shot for you guys. So nice and flush, mount your winch right there. That's going to be your factory tow hooks right here. Warren winch if you want a Warren, but if you want any other winches, they'll work just as well, I believe so. Yeah, that's the bumper. I'm super excited for this. DVA guys really knocked it out of the park because they actually like to do off-road stuff and they get it. So that is the front of the bumper right there, dude. Let's see what else videos we got. We got two more. Oh, dang. Whoops. Okay, so this is just in his office. Two of them combined right there. So that's going to be the front view. Looks sweet. The next one here. Alright, so this is more of like the skid plate right there. So it's going to be pretty flat all the way back through. Yep, and then you can see the fairlead's going to be recessed, so it's not going to be bulging, which is cool. A lot of good looking corners on this thing, so I'm super excited for this. Alright, so that's the bumper. Alright guys, so let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the bumper. I'm super excited for it. It looks really, really good. I like how you can have your light bar, your two fogs, and then your fairlead is more recessed, so you're not smashing on rocks like couple other companies out there, and I think it looks really, really good. I'm super excited to throw it on the truck. I'm not really sure about when the release is or what the price is going to be, but it's in the works, so it's coming soon. Let me tell you guys that it's coming soon. It's going to be here. I'll be testing it out, trying it out, and seeing how it does, so stay tuned on the channel for that video. I believe they are also working on rear bumpers, so stay tuned for that. That should be fun. The rear bumper is much needed. Those grandpa steps in the rear, I smashed them on every rock and they just need to go. So yeah, the front bumper looks really, really good. Super excited. Deviate is awesome. Deviate knocks it out of the park for this one, so super stoked. Also, the new Deviate bed rack has been released on their website, so go check that rack out. It's the rack that I've been running for, I have to say, 8 months now or something like that, and I've been beat that thing through the ringer. Let me tell you, just hitting whoops, big bumps that should have just bent it or something, but she's solid. So definitely go check out that DV8 bed rack. Definitely go check out that bed rack. Best looking bed rack in any type of bed rack, really. Every bed rack from any other company looks like a construction worker's rack. Like, this thing looks good. It's very versatile. You can mount pretty much anything on there, and it holds your tent and all your goodies. So go check that bed rack out. It's the one I've been running, and it's badass. So that one, I'll have all the descriptions and the links down in the description. Check it out. Best looking bed rack out, and it is now released for you guys to buy. So I've been testing it out for a while, and it's been on point. So check it out. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys liked that little sneak peek video of the new bumpers coming out for DV8. I got to go pack for a Sedona trip that I'm going tomorrow morning, so I got to let you guys go. Take it easy. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye.